YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing a tour of my puppets and fidgets. So we are going to get started, but before we start, you're going to comment down below and subscribe and like, and make sure you watch all my videos and my shorts. So we're going to get started with this. First we have this. It's so quiet on this side. When you pop on this side, it's really loud. And it's rainbow and a little ice cream bar. I love ice cream. I have these. They're so cool. You get to tangle them up. Oh, and if you live on the east side, just go to Five Below. There's some fidgets there. I have this. Got all this from the store. I have this. They're so unique. This is a little bit loud, and on this side it's a lot loud. So cool. I have this blue Among Us. It's super cute. Love it so much. It's really almost my favorite fidget. Well, fourth favorite fidget. It's so cool. And this blue, I love blue. Except for red is the best. Comment down below, tell me which color is your favorite. Then we have this. You guys are familiar with this. You know, everybody has these. Like, why wouldn't you? They're so amazing. So cool. So cool. And then we have another Among Us. Woo! But it's yellow and teal. So cool. And we also have this. So technique. Another Among Us. Purple and teal. We have a dinosaur. So cool. It's so loud. If you heard it when I was talking, that's how loud it is. See? So we're going to do the next one. A little purple bluish one. It's a big flat one. It's soft on this side, but when we go this side, it's really loud. Next, we have this. It's so loud. I didn't even get to pop the outside, so that's good. Oh, and there's a lot more fidgets that's louder than all these puppets. I have 2 stars. Of course. Why wouldn't I have a rainbow star? It's hard to pop. Some of them pop when you try to pop them. Some of them pop back up, but it's okay. At least you get some of them. And I tried it and I actually got all of them. And I popped it. These are so cool. I got this from the gas station. I have this rainbow one. So cool. It's a rainbow square. I love rainbows so much. I can't take over rainbows. I have this little dog. So cute. I have 2 dogs, guys. One is in the living room. It's so cool. It makes a lot of noise. It's so cute. Then we have this. Then we have this. Then we have this. And we have this. And we have this. We have this. We have this. Bye! See you guys in the next part. If I want fast, I'll do part 2.